Welcome to a culinary journey around the world, where we explore the vibrant and exotic flavors of rice dishes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these mouth-watering rice bowls. Our first stop takes us to Asia, where we delve into the fragrant and aromatic world of Thai pineapple fried rice. Watch as the chef skillfully combines juicy pineapple, succulent shrimp, and a medley of spices to create a symphony of flavors. Next, we travel to the Middle East to savor the rich and aromatic Iranian saffron rice. Witness the golden hues of saffron infusing the fluffy rice grains, while tender lamb and fragrant herbs add depth to this traditional delicacy. Now, let's head to the Caribbean for a taste of Jamaican jerk chicken with coconut rice. Experience the fiery flavors of jerk seasoning as it dances on succulent chicken, while creamy coconut rice provides a cool and refreshing balance. Our culinary adventure now takes us to South America, where we explore the vibrant flavors of Peruvian seafood paella. Marvel at the colorful array of fresh seafood, perfectly cooked rice, and the aromatic blend of spices that make this dish a true delight. Next, we travel to the Mediterranean to indulge in the flavors of Greek chorizo. Watch as spinach and rice come together in perfect harmony, enhanced by the tangy notes of lemon and the richness of feta cheese. Our journey continues to India, where we explore the fragrant and spicy world of biryani. Witness the layers of basmati rice, tender meat, and aromatic spices being cooked to perfection, creating a dish that is as visually stunning as it is delicious. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Mexico, where we savor the flavors of Mexican street corn rice. Experience the smoky and tangy combination of grilled corn, zesty lime, and creamy cotija cheese, all mixed with fluffy rice for a truly satisfying dish.